Hi, happy Wednesday, pre-Ks. Let's get going with our academic book. Remember, if the pages are too easy for you, you can skip the academic book and go right to the supplement book. Or sometimes it's fun to pick 3 pages that you'd like to work on in one and then switch to the other. Whatever it is, I want you doing at least 6 pages every day. So let's go. I'm writing words that have to do with kindergarten because this week it's all about kindergarten. Yesterday, I wrote the word work. There's a lot of work at kindergarten, and you must work first before you play. Oh, but that's a good word for me to write. I'm going to write the word play. That P goes down to the worm. Half circle from the airplane to the grass. L, sky to the grass real fast. A, underneath that airplane line, I say. And Y, ooh, 2 letters that go down to the worm. The word play was mine today. All right, all excited about kindergarten, so our first sheet shows that bus going to the playground. That's an awesome place to play. So remember, you don't want to go down any dead ends. Ooh, that's a dead end. Oh, don't go that way. You want to go until you find your way to the playground. I think you can do that all by yourselves, pre-Ks. You've been doing mazes for a long time, I say. Put me on pause while you finish and come on back for a letter sheet. Kindergarten is all about letters. We're on the end of the alphabet because we're getting to the end of the year. The W starts at the sky, diagonal down, diagonal up, diagonal down, diagonal up. Lots of diagonals there. Lowercase w, look, it's the same. Only it's under that airplane line. Which of these pictures begin with a W? Is it whoa, 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 window? Whoa, 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 watermelon? Sun? Or whoa, 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 web? Well, everything but sun, you're going to make that W for whoa, whoa, window, and whoa, 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 watermelon, and whoa, 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 web. If you'd like, what does sun begin with? S. You got it. You can go put that S there. The next letter is an X. You cross it at the airplane, and the lowercase s is exactly the same as well. They're both the same, only the lowercase letter is under the airplane. Remember, that's why it's so important to know where that airplane is. Now, these letters don't begin with X, only xylophone, but they do end with X. So we're going to find box ends with X, and so does fox, and so does axe. They end with that letter X, not money, honey. Take your time, do a good job on those W's and X's. Get them underneath that airplane line, looking fine. And now we go to numbers. School is all about letters and numbers. We're making the number 5. Remember, there's a quantity, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the numeral and is the word 5. We have 3 ways to talk about 5 alive. Start that circle down with a belly and a hat on its head. Then make some more 5s. How many birds in the nest, or was it monkeys in the nest? Start at the sky and go down to the grass and back. Make a few more. I gave you some circles, some dots there to start your zeros, monkeys. Count the monkeys in each picture and put the number on the line. Remember, all numbers, 1, 2, 3, start at the sky and go down to the grass. Around the tree and round the tree, make the number 3. Another 0, they must want us to practice zeros here. And 1, 2, that will do. Our numbers go from the sky to the grass. I want to see a couple for each line. You practice it until you get better at it. That's what school's all about. Practice, practice, practice. Some more letters. Ooh, the end of the alphabet. The Q for queen. So we're going to make uppercase Q's. Start at the sky, down through the airplane, back to the sky with a little tail. And lowercase q. It's like a C under the airplane, and then it goes down to the worm with a little curl to the right. The J has a curl to the left. The Q has a curl to the right. Now the directions say circle the pictures, more than one. Remember those direction words, they help us out, that begin like queen, and we know queen begins with a Q. So please look to see which of these pictures begin with a Q. Now again, they've helped you by putting the beginning letter of each word. So all you have to do is look and see. Q for quilt, quarter. Now we might have thought that was a bird or a pigeon without a Q beginning, but they wrote the word for us there, quail. Excellent work with the letter Q. After Q comes, you got it, R, you're a star. So now we're working on upper and lowercase r. The uppercase letter starts at the sky, I don't know why, down to the grass real fast. Half circle around to the airplane and then kick it down. The lowercase r is under that airplane with a little hook. We're going to circle the pictures that begin with an R, like the R for rocket. Uppercase or lowercase. And again, they've given us the words and the pictures. So you have two ways to find out if they begin with R. Okay, you go do it. Turn me on pause, then come back. 1, 2, 3, look and see. It's a rock, a ring, and a rabbit. All begin with the letter R. Take your time, finish those R's, put me on pause, come back when you're done. All right, let's do some counting. Our last page is counting fun. We've just begun. Let's count those circle shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw a line to that 7. Practice labeling your shapes as well. Those are things that will be asked of you when you go to kindergarten for that screening. We have some circles, we have some squares, we have some stars, triangles, and ovals. All right, put me on pause and come back when you're done. One, two, three, look and see. Does your paper look like me? Let's see if you had the 6 stars, 10 triangles, 8 ovals, 9 squares, and 7 circles. You did a good job on your papers today. Now go play.